guys, Katie here. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be an office tour. I recently moved into a new office space and had some changes happen in my career, and I'll explain those in one second, but I'm just on my lunch break right now, so I figured I would basically show you guys around my new office that I just moved into less than a month ago. So back in June, the company that I worked for the past 2 years, PulseFashion.com, got acquired by the PulseBoutique.com and hired me to work remotely for them. So I'm here in St. Louis working for the PulseBoutique.com, and I love this new office space and my new job so much. I get to do what I love, and I'm very thankful for that. So I can't wait to show you guys this awesome little space that I get to work from every day. All right, let's get into the tour. So this is the front door. I come in and this is what I see when I walk in. So this little corner here is actually where I keep most of the clothing that is sent to me to model and do content with. And so I have my shoes and some hanging up here, and then boxes and whatnot back there, along with a steamer and some other storage devices. So this is really cool. This is a movable wall. So essentially it's this big white wall that is on wheels, has a handle right here, has storage inside of it, and if I need to move it and use it as a background, I can. It is awesome, and our consultant Melissa had this designed and built for me, so I'm very thankful for that. It is just such an awesome piece to have in here, especially to kind of store all the styles that I don't need to work with that day. And then I have this clothing rack of more styles. Next to that, I have a chair. I don't sit in it. That is just kind of a background for the mirror you're gonna see in a second. I have 2 box lights right here that don't fit in this closet. This closet's just for storage. I'm not even gonna show you what's in there. But basically, when you walk in, you look off to the left, and this is the studio area. This is where I go live. This is where I take mirror selfies. This is where I do flat lays. This is the mirror that I take all of my mirror selfies in, and it's a lot of natural lighting because the front of it has these big windows and blinds that I can close if I need to. So over here is a mantle and just decorations. So the whole goal was to make it look like a cute little bedroom. So this is essentially the background for when I go live. And the way that I go live is on my phone. I use this cool little tripod thing. I put my phone in it, and I do a lot of video work here too. I'll film videos in the clothing. I like to redecorate it every so often, especially seasonally. So during the Christmas time, I plan to have maybe a Christmas tree set up in the background. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The floors are brand new and the walls are freshly painted white. If you're wondering why there's just a random trash can in the middle of the floor, it's because it's covering up this drain right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover one of my all-time favorite parts of my office space, and this is my snack break or just my food area. I have my New Air 90 can beverage refrigerator. This fits so many cans of LaCroix. I'm in love with it. And I might include a few clips of me unboxing it when I got it a few weeks ago. I needed a mini fridge for my new office space, and this one is hopefully going to be awesome. That was way easier than I thought it would be to open, because all I had to do is just cut open the top and just pull it off. But this is what it looks like. Looks pretty nice. So I was wrong earlier when I said this was a 90 can fridge. It's actually a 85 can beverage cooler. I'm gonna use it to not only store like beverages and stuff like that, obviously, but I think it's just gonna be my fridge for when I bring my lunch to work and have snacks, and I can keep fruit and all kinds of yummy, healthy snacks in this mini fridge. It's a really good size. It's not super big, which I like. It does not have a freezer in it though, so I'm not able to keep frozen meals in it. Otherwise though, it's perfect and I'm in love with it. This granite countertop little cabinet area was also, I believe, built actually by Melissa. That was so nice of her. She surprised me with it, and it's awesome. It fits everything I need into this little corner, and it has more storage underneath here as well. So eventually I will fill this area with more snacks, and I actually want to invest in probably a better coffee maker because this one only brews 1 cup at a time, and I'd like to get like an actual coffee pot. All right, and then to the right of the food area is my bathroom, but you know, nothing much to see there. It is a pretty large bathroom though for one person, so I enjoy it. All right, now for the grand finale, we have my actual office space. This is a really cozy little part of my office that I love to work out of. It's just where I work on my computer. So you walk in, there's that cabinet that stores all my office supplies, a chair, 2 mirrors that I'll eventually hang up, and a calendar. Over here is my printer. And then of course my desk. I have these cute little lights that glow and provide a nice little kind of cozy ambiance. And then a lamp. As far as decorations go on my desk, I definitely like to have my Himalayan salt lamp. It's just super cute and it also glows a bunch of different colors. Then I have an oil diffuser. I usually just like to keep lavender oil here, and I'll use this every once in a while. It smells heavenly. And then this mouse pad and this wrist support thingy are from Amazon, and they have saved my wrist because I have to type a lot. And so I love these. I might link them below. My office chair, I believe, is also from Amazon. I don't know if anyone else can relate to this, but I get super cold when I'm at the office, so I have a blanket and also a cardigan. Where's the cardigan? There it is. And I don't know what to do with all of this stuff back here, but this is my Wi-Fi setup. There's actually a door right next to my desk that cannot be unlocked as far as I know, but it leads to another office space with employees. It's a different company, and I can hear them pretty much at all hours of the day, so it's kind of exciting. They could probably hear me too, so that's sort of awkward. So that finishes up my office tour, everyone. Hope you guys all enjoyed watching. I'm so thankful to be here in this awesome space where I get to create content. And if you haven't already, make sure you go check out the Pulse Boutique or Pulse Fashion on Facebook, as well as our website and our Instagram. I'll link all of that down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.